Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I'm going to show you how to create spring in Blender. First I'm going to delete this cube, and then I'm going to add a circle, and then I'm going to add a screw modifier. Where is screw modifier? And then I'm going to select y-axis, and then I'm going to go in edit mode, and then move in just grab this and move in x-axis, and this is our just grab it and move it in x-axis. So this is screw is our height. The iteration is our coils. Number of coils is our iteration. Iteration is number of coils, and screw is our height. And this is the segment. Step viewers is segment. Just give this a metallic color. So that's it, friend. So screw is the height. You can adjust the height of this. You can adjust the coils of this. So like this, we can create a spring in Blender. You can also animate this like this. So that's it. This is a simple video on how to create a spring in Blender. I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more 3D modeling videos like this. Also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.